welcome. Today we are on our SoCal office building to talk about equipment filters, what they are, why they are important, and why their details really do matter. A common misunderstanding about what an equipment filter's main purpose is that it filters the air to improve the indoor air quality of the building, but that's not entirely accurate. An equipment filter's main purpose is to protect the equipment from particulates, pollutants, debris, and other matter that the outside air brings with it so that it won't clog up your system. So a couple of things to note when you're considering your filters is that the length, the width, and the depth really do matter. These dimensions are equipment specific, so you want to make sure that you're getting the right size and the right count for your equipment. Otherwise, your air could be going through or around the filter, defeating the purpose. The other thing that you want to consider is what we call the MERV rating. MERV is an acronym that helps scale and rate the efficiency of the material and filter at catching those dust, debris, and particulates out of the air. This here is what we call a MERV 8. This is one of the more common MERV ratings that you'll find for a facility such as this office building here. And they do go all the way up to almost 100% efficiency, which is HEPA, or what we call medical grade. So I bet I know what your next question is. If a HEPA is almost 100% efficient at catching all of that outside air, then why doesn't everybody just use it? Well, I'm about to tell you right now. So as you go higher in your MERV rating, from a MERV 8 all the way up to a HEPA, this material here will get thicker and more tightly woven, which means it's harder for the air to pass through. You want to make sure that your fan motor in your equipment is powerful enough to get the air through this fabric, or one of two things is going to happen. One, it's either going to find the path of least resistance and go around the filter or over it, meaning it's defeating the purpose. Or two, you're going to build up so much pressure because the air can't get through that your piece of equipment is going to lead to a breakdown. Not good. All right, review time. What is a filter? A filter is there to protect your piece of equipment from particulates, debris, and other matter that the outside air brings with it. Two, do the dimensions really matter? Yes, you want to make sure you're getting the right size filters in the right count to make sure that your equipment is being kept in best condition. And three, can't I just use any MERV efficiency rating all the way up to a HEPA grade? Maybe. Just make sure that your equipment can handle the increased pressure. And final question for you, are you using the right filters for your facility?
To learn more about topics like this, check out some of our other videos. And for answers to any questions around your facility needs, contact us at southlandind.com/let's talk.